Tomorrow is the beginning of beading. Tomorrow I start gluing the beads on the actual pieces, the little 11/0 seed beads that I use on my pieces. Gotta wear a respirator. Super glue can be nasty when you use it for a very long length of time, like all day. So that will be a definite. I have pieces over here that I added feathers to today. This one and this one and that one and this one. This is one of the ones that I did the rag rim on. And I did that yesterday, and I have some more on the other side that I'll show you in a minute. This one I added feathers to. And this one, along with some cocoa flowers. This one has flowers on it, feathers on it. So does this one. This is the one I finally figured out what to do with the banana stems. This was interesting. It was complex to get it all on there where it doesn't move, but it's attached now. This big one here has cocoa ruffs on it, and it has these other pieces that I'm not quite sure what they're called. They look like the rams, like a ram's antlers to me. I've always been intrigued with them, and I've never been able to find a piece to use them on until today. So that makes me really happy. Let's see. This piece over here now has a brownie spring pod on top of it, on the lid. And let's see. This is another piece I did with the rag rim. This is all saris, silk saris that are on here, remnants. Used a sea grape leaf, something I picked up off the ground. I didn't pick it. I know that they're protected. And I have feathers on this with a samarang pod. These pieces up here, I actually put little things on. That one has a lipstick pod. This is an atta slice. This is the cocoa ruffs with the little seed pods from Arizona. And then I don't know what these are called. I can't remember. There's so many. Monkey ear pod with a spring pod, brownie spring pod. This also has the rag rim on it. So that came out cool. I'm real happy with that. This one here has pear pods. It has another sea grape and then some feathers. This one up here has a big lotus pod, you can see from the side. And then that shell, which is a shell. I got quite a few of them off of the beach at the same time I got the coral pieces after that storm. So that one, I sprayed it and it came out really pretty. So I used it in this piece. And then over here, I'm continuing to work on paper beads, which is what I usually do in the evenings while I'm watching TV. All of my pieces that have paper beads on them, they are beads that I have made myself. It's not that easy to do in the beginning, but I've got it down now, so I'm pretty happy. I want you to notice all these toys. This is my daily thing here. My dog and all of his toys. He loves his toys. He'll be asleep in his crate and have about 3 or 4 toys around him. He's so funny. Has a basket. Does he use it? No. Not unless I put them in them or Dean puts them in them. This is the daily thing. You walk out here and all you see are dog toys. Have a good evening, everyone.